Okay, today we're going to change the final drive oil. Got your fill plug here, your drain plug there. It drains a 19mm wrench. This one here I believe is a 6mm, which we've got on the end of the socket here. And it calls for a 90 weight. I'm getting the good stuff here, which is 75-140, which I use in the truck. It's GL5 also, but this is quite expensive stuff, and if it's going to protect your final drive, this is good stuff. So there's only about I think it's 230 milliliters or so, or 250 milliliters in there. It's not a lot. We just got a little pot here that's going to catch the fluid on the drain. It's 17 foot-pounds on these fasteners, so it shouldn't be a lot to get this off. And that one's fairly tight, but anyway. Looks fairly tight getting that off. Hopefully they designed this so it doesn't spill on the tire, I don't know. There we go. It's pretty dark. It's not that fine a thread. There's a bit of muck on the magnet, but not a lot. If you have a lot of metal on this magnet here, then you know you're going to have a failure in the final drive at some point down the road. So that's when you want to get it checked out. Just hand tighten the drain nut here. Now we're just going to tighten that back in. It's kind of loose at the last bit here. Okay, now we're going to squeeze some oil in there. Hopefully we're not going to have oil spill all over the place. If not, wipe it up right away so you don't run down the final drive to the brakes or anything. This flashlight's kind of dead, but good enough for what I'm doing. There you go. So it's at the bottom of the threads in the fill hole there. "17 foot-pounds. I don't have a torque wrench that fits these. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. There we are, that's 17 foot-pounds. 204 inches, or inch-pounds if you have the smaller torque wrench. That's it, we're done.